First day of dealing with the mechanic issues on the Golf. It feels like the first day of school, in a PTSD kind of way. When you see this car from far away, you might think it's decent, but it's as decent as a drunk uncle at your kid's birthday party. Seems like the previous owners just used any liquids to cool this car, ranging from acid to only the wrong coolant if it's possible. The gear linkage is just a joke, can barely get in first or second gear, so we'll get a gear linkage fix kit. First thing I noticed was this joint clamp from the exhaust and the catalytic converter flange, and then I noticed the nasty corrosion from the cooling system. As I said earlier, they used only the wrong liquids in this car. Also, the brake hose fittings are more worn out than my wallet. We might be broke, but safety is top priority, so we will change them. Here we see that we also need to replace the CV joint boot, inner and outer ones. Left tie rod needs replacing. Tie rod and boot should be changed as well. I'll also need to change the right driveshaft gearbox oil seal, because it leaks more than a BMW on a clean driveway. Until now we replaced the bearings on all wheels and the front wheel hub on the left side because it was totally done. Here we were replacing the rear shock absorber dust covers on both sides. Pretty simple job if you have the right tool. They looked like a worn out sock from the Cold War, so definitely needed replacement. This is just a small batch of the parts that we ordered. I'm glad that we found the engine pipe that was really corroded. So this is the original one, we didn't have to manufacture a new one. So far for all the parts I spent 177 euros. It's not that much, but it will surely add up in the following weeks because we'll need to add bodywork, and after that we'll have to paint it. Probably it will creep up to 1500 euros. Next week I will tackle the engine issues. Also we'll change the oil and filters, and we'll take the car for a ride. I will be back with a new video maybe in a maximum of 2 weeks from now. Thank you for watching and have a pleasant week.